Traders in the building, welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. We are back again with another weekly analysis, and today we have the dollar index, gold, US30 and US100. I'll be analyzing for you guys these pairs for the week that is coming, so please do stay tuned to the end of the video. In front of us we have the dollar index, and as you can see, man, we are in a bullish trend, and what I'm looking for in this pair is for price to continue going up. Reason is we haven't broken this area, this area of sensitivity here that we have created. If you notice, we did come resist for the first time, second time, third time, fourth time over there, and so eventually we broke that area there. So now we are at that area, and as you can see, price has been failing to go below that area. Can't even wick below that area. So also check the fundamentals. The dollar is quite strong at the moment, and the fundamentals are positive for the dollar, so we can expect further buys at least up to this area over here. I'm expecting buys at least until this area of resistance. However, if we happen to break below this area of support, I'm going to await a retest on that area, and then we can sell this market further. But let's go to the daily time frame so you guys can understand everything better, right? Looking at the daily time frame, this is what I'm looking for, right? I do see that we did reach this area of resistance. Let me go to my left side. If you notice, from the left side, this was an area where price resisted and then supported and then supported and then resisted, and then we are currently below that area. So for me, again, I'm anticipating price is just going to continue, find support at this previous resistance, which was then became a support, and then we can expect the price to continue going up. Other than that, man, there's nothing more, there's nothing less. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for buys on the dollar index. So now going to the second pair, the gold instrument, which I love so much. Go to the daily to the monthly time frame. This particular instrument is the one that I trade, and so as you can see, I've already indicated that we have a heavy resistance in those highs over there. And so now, if you're looking at price, it did try to go and break that area of resistance over there, but it ended up with a wick, so it failed to break that area of resistance. And already you can tell, if you look in your left, that it did fail for the first time here, second time here, third time over here. This is an area, a very strong area of resistance on the gold chart. So for me, I'm not looking for buys on this particular pair. I'm looking for sells at least up to this area over there, at least up to this support, and then I can look for buys going forward. But for now, there's nothing more, there's nothing less. I'm looking for sells in this pair. But let's go to the daily time frame so you guys can see price movement better. If you pay attention over here, I've drawn for you guys two possibilities, and the reason is price can go one of two directions, either going to go up or going to go down. So for now, we are currently above this area here, this support area over here. So for me, I'm expecting buys, right? However, there is a possibility that price, if it happens then to break below this area of sensitivity here, we can anticipate a retest, and then we continue with those sells. If it happens that it's going to support from that area, you should buy. But then if it breaks that area and then it retests, you should sell, right? So if I'm not making sense, do comment down below, and I'll try to make it make sense in the comment section. Let's go to the third pair of the day. I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. This is the NASDAQ pair, and I've been saying for weeks now, I think it's been 4 weeks, I've been saying that we are bullish on this pair. The reason is, if you notice here, we are in an uptrend, and another thing is we come from this trend line. We just touched this trend line, and now we are going up. So price usually stops either at a support or at a resistance. So now the next resistance that I'm seeing is this one over here. So my anticipation is that this particular instrument is going to continue going up at least until it reaches that area, and then from there we can then analyze or anticipate something else. But for now, I'm bullish on this pair, and there is nothing at all that's convincing me otherwise. Because if you also go to your smaller time frame, the daily time frame, clear as day, you also notice over there that really this pair is bullish. As you can see, it keeps breaking the highs that it makes. It broke now this particular resistance that we had drawn last week, and I did say if it breaks that area over there, you can await a retest and buy. But unfortunately, we didn't get a retest on the daily time frame, but I do believe we got it for sure on a smaller time frame. If you can check your 15 minutes, you can. I'm pretty sure we got it over there. So if you were trading that, I'm pretty sure you caught those buys. So I'm looking for buys on this particular instrument. However, if then price happens to reverse and then it comes and breaks this area of interest that we have over there, I'm going to await a retest and then I'm going to continue for those sells. But for now, I'm looking for buys strictly on this particular pair. Now, the last pair of the day, which is the US30, and if I'm not making sense, please do comment down below. And if I'm too fast, comment down below. And if you don't understand anything at all that I'm doing here, maybe you don't understand how I trade the strategy, I do have videos on the channel on how I trade. Watch those videos and they're gonna help you understand everything that I'm doing on this particular on these charts over here. The US30 pair, again, I'm bullish on this one, and the reason is we come from an area of support. If you notice, this was a resistance here, and then when price broke that resistance, it came and clearly didn't have enough momentum to break below, and so it supported going up. So as I always say, price can either stop at the resistance or at a support. And now the nearest resistance that I see is this one, which was the highest high that we've ever been on this pair. So now I'm anticipating that price is going to continue at least up to that high before we can see sells, or before we can expect sells, or before we can expect the price to break above and again retest, and then we continue. So for me, until we can reach that high, I'm not going to look for sells in this particular pair. I'm going to look for buys strictly. But if you go to a smaller time frame, you will notice that this particular pair has been ranging for at least the whole month. Last month, the whole month of May, I believe, we were in a range. Not even the last month. I mean, for the whole year, I believe we've been ranging in this particular area here, right? Creating those resistances over there, support. Price is just ranging between this area over here, this resistance and this support. So again, I do say, if you are not comfortable opening trades over here, I would not open trades over here unless obviously I'm scalping the market. So I do say, encourage that if you want to hold long term, at least wait for price to break, retest, and then you're gonna continue with those buys. However, realistically speaking, that could take another month or 2 months or 3, so it depends. So if you are going to trade this pair, at least for now, you can try to also buy when it gets to this support, sell when it gets to that resistance, but apply proper risk management, because you don't want to be caught out by surprise if the price then ends up breaking that area and moving in ways that you didn't expect it to. So please do pay careful attention. And yeah, this is all I have for the week that is coming. And if you liked this video, do comment down below something nice. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please guys, recommend to your friends so that I can grow the channel as you grow. And if this video was not so much valuable to you, again, comment down below, and I'll try to make it make sense in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching up to this far. I love you. Let's have a great trading week.